거기 있니? There you are. It's nice to hear your voice. Mom gave me your number a few months ago. I've been wanting to reach out, but Mom passed away a few days ago. She'd been sick for a little while, but I didn't want you to worry. I'm sorry. Before she passed, she asked if I could. She wants us to spread her ashes together. I know it's been a while since we've seen each other, but I was thinking I'd come to you in the States. How do you feel about that?